Welcome to the fun.
It's Nasiah,
Nyla,
Nevaeh.
and today.
Today, y'all, let me talk. We in a rush. All right, y'all. So we are doing our alphabet dating, and y'all know today is letter B, and it is also their brother's birthday. So B stands for birthday vlog, so to speak. But we going bowling, we going out to brunch, and we are celebrating their brother today. We late going to pick him up. He not home. We was supposed to go pick him up at 12 o'clock. We going to get him right now. We was trying to set up. We got everything set up. I'm finna get dressed. Nyla finna do her hair real quick. And then we finna go get him and we finna go to brunch. We rushing. So like, comment, subscribe.
Turn on notifications, give us a big thumbs up.
Let's go get into the activities, y'all. We late. All right, y'all. So today is actually my son's birthday, and he is 16 years old. I cannot believe it. Oh my God. Y'all know anything about 16-year-old child? They do not like to be bothered. Like, kids really go through this like awkward stage when they just don't want to be bothered with they parents. They just want to be left alone. Literally, it's like the weirdest thing. They be like, all go from being all up under you to just like only want to be with their friends and hang out. Child, yes, that's literally like the life of a teenager. So anyways, we went to go pick him up. We picked him up. He was supposed to be picked up at 12. We picked him up at like 12:30. That gave us time to set up a little something. For his birthday, he said he wanted to go out to eat with his friends. We were supposed to go out to eat Tuesday night, which was his actual birthday, with his friends and have like a little birthday dinner set up. But all his friends was like, they got stuff to do, and then to switch it to Friday. So we literally moved his birthday dinner, his birthday celebration to this weekend, Friday, because again, he want to be all up under his friends. So anyways, with that being said, we got some little doohickeys because it still is the actual day he was born. So we still gonna do a little something because y'all know me. Y'all know me. Like, I celebrate the day of, that weekend, the weekend before, the weekend afterwards. We celebrate birthdays all month around here. Like, anything we do in that month, it's considered your birthday. Like, I don't really care. Anything we do that month, it was celebrating your birthday. So with that being said, yeah, we got him some little clothes. He got like some money, some gift cards, some of his little favorite snacks. We did like a quick little setup just so when he got home, he was real happy. So we are still doing alphabet dating. And his birthday just happened to fall on the perfect letter. Like, that was just really, really perfect because it's their brother. So we did brother's birthday brunch and bowling. That just was so perfect for B. Like, that was really, really perfect for the letter B. Like, for real, like, not even gonna lie. So anyways, we did end up going to brunch. We went bowling, and then basically it's just like a birthday celebration. So it's just like a birthday vlog or whatever. And then look at him. This is us when we picked him up. Look, he's trying to hide from the camera because I'm like, y'all say hey to the birthday boy, and he's trying to keep his head down, little bald-headed ass. But anyways, y'all. So this why I don't be recording the kid, because the kid get on my nerves. They don't never want to go nowhere. They don't never want to do nothing. And baby, one thing about it, two things for sure, I'm not finna beg a kid to spend my money. Sure ain't. Anyways, y'all, we went to this place called Bacon Street, because again, it starts with a B. Bacon Street Brunch. You know. The vibes was vibing. It's a nice little restaurant. Me and Kimani, we ordered breakfast, already, and the girls ordered lunch. Listen to my sister, y'all. Hold on, let me let this play real quick. Holding it up. She's so annoying. So annoying. Where my waitress at? I'm ready to order. As soon as she sit her big lump head ass down. She's so annoying. Look at her trying to record me and I'm recording you. We're ready to order. So annoying.
It's my nephew's birthday. Happy birthday, Miney. Smile.
It's the smile. Y'all see how he ain't even want to smile for that picture? This is what I be talking about. Because, boy, what it's not even killing you to smile for that picture. But anyways, my sister was late. And she talk about we impatient. Girl, we're starving. We didn't eat all day. We was originally supposed to go to brunch at like 12:30. And we didn't get there till 2 o'clock. So, baby, we was starving. We didn't eat all day. But I ordered chicken and waffles with like this bacon. I don't know, but it was delicious. Look at it. Baby, my food was top tier. Like, I'm not even finna lie to you. My food was so good. Kimani food was good too. He ordered pancakes, waffle. No, he ordered pancakes, sausage, and bacon. And then Nazaya got a cheeseburger. Nazaya and Nevaeh got a cheeseburger, and Nyla got chicken tenders because that's her specialty. No matter where we go, that girl gonna order her some chicken tenders. Anyways, so after that, we headed on over to lunch for the bowling, and we finna bowl, cause duh. So, anyways, we went on over to the bowling alley. We got our shoes, and baby, we was ready to bowl. I don't know what it is about bowling alleys, but every time you go there, music is like always loud. I guess they be trying to set the mood or whatever, but yeah, it was really loud. So I have to do a voiceover the whole entire time, even though I did not plan on doing a voiceover the whole video. Yeah, that is what it is. And then we got our shoes, and then we was ready to bowl. My nephew pulled up on us. This him right there. This is my nephew and his girlfriend. They pulled up on us, and they was ready to bowl. Well, one of my nephews, because I got two. Y'all know Kai. He always there. Y'all see Kai almost every single video. Kai and Kimani is a year apart. Kimani just turned 16 and Kai just turned 15. So they're a year apart. My oldest nephew, he 20, 21. I don't know. I think he's 20. Anyways, it doesn't really matter. He pulled up on us to bowl. And side note, these kids really suck. Like, they thought they was out there bowling and they was doing they one too, baby. They was absolutely trash. Like, like, I'm not even finna lie to you. Why you looking like that, Nyla? Nyla up here giving me the side eye because I say they was trash. Like, they was really trash. Like, if they daddy see this video, he'll be real disappointed in them because he real deal feel like he just like a bowling expert or something, but he ain't really that great either. But what you looking at, babe? Everybody giving me the side eye because they just swear they can bowl, but they really can't. Like,
I can bowl. We can bowl better than you.
you cannot bowl better than me.
And who's the one who won? Nazaya, this
And Nevaeh.
Y'all all had bumpers on, so
That's beside.
that's the whole entire point. Child, they all had bumpers on, and then go sit up here talk about that's besides the point. Actually, that's the whole entire point. Like, the whole entire point. And then Yanni, she sucked too. Yanni sucked. Nyla sucked. They sucked. They all sucked. Really, honestly.
I was better than her.
Girl, anyways, and Q Money, and oh child, he thought he was out there really doing his big one, and he was getting gutter ball after gutter ball, and so was they. Look at that gutter ball. They just all was trash. Even his girlfriend, she sucked too. Like and Kai was the worst out of them all. Actually, like, I'm not even finna lie to you, Kai was the absolute worst. Like, Kai was really horrible. But yeah, that was that about that. This, y'all just gonna see my kids bowling, and yeah, that's it. Like, it wasn't really nothing special. Nothing. Look at Kyle. Look. Oh, he hit a little something there. Okay, 1 p.m. Stop playing with him. 1 p.m. Okay. And then look at that little gutter ball. See, that would have went in the gutter had she not had those bumpers there. And now she done hit two little pins. But anyways, this is me and Nazaya. Very much so annoying. And we all showing everything. And then Nevaeh had an attitude, as always, for what? I don't even know why she got an attitude. She ain't even honestly supposed to be bowling. Like, she's still supposed to be in recovery for the next couple days because y'all know she had surgery and she ain't supposed to be doing no heavy lifting, no running around, no playing, no nothing. She's supposed to be sitting down until Friday the 12th. Like, literally a soft food diet and everything. But for some reason, she keep asking for food that she knows she ain't supposed to have. Keep wanting to run around and play. But yeah. If y'all was wondering, my baby recovery is going amazing. She's doing amazing. She's blessed. As always, y'all know God got her covered. And here go Nyla up here thinking she popping her big one. But yeah, this is the final score for the first game. They did both 2 games. This was the first game. Over there, Key Money ended up winning that game. And on the other side, on the other lane, Azaya ended up winning. Anyways, y'all, now we are home. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Whoop, 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 whoop. It's your birthday. It's your birthday.
How do you? Now do your little dance before 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right, don't do mine. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. So, anyways, y'all, this is just like I said again. This is like the quick little setup that we did. Just something, so people can feel loved and appreciated on their big special day. This is just him opening some of his gifts, and he'll get more stuff this weekend. And when we celebrate this weekend and do what we're gonna do all this weekend. And then after that, we'll be getting ready for Vaya's birthday. But again, we wrap everything all up because, And the Vaya's birthday, if y'all didn't already subscribe, go ahead and subscribe because my girl is going to a real live rodeo for her birthday because she loves animals and she's going to be cowgirls and cowgirl and like him. Yeah, she finna go horseback riding and everything because my girl loves the ranch. She just loves animals. And so we going to a real live rodeo. Stop playing with us. But anyways, y'all, just got to make sure y'all stay tuned for the Nevaeh birthday vlog because I'm excited. I'm ready to ride the horses too. So y'all just stay tuned for that. But yeah, this him opening up all his little stuff, child. It ain't really much to say. So thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for tuning in to Alphabet Dating and my son's birthday vlog. And we will see y'all in the next video. We love y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Turn on your post notifications. Give us a big thumbs up. Whoop de whoop, whoop de whoop. Yeah. And we're going to see y'all in the next one. Until then, love you. Bye. And side note, Nyla messed up this money roller thing. The money was supposed to just roll out effortlessly, and she rolled it the wrong way. But we not gonna talk about that. We just not gonna talk about that. He ended up making it work. So yeah, that's that about that. Love you. Bye.